Sun goes down in Calvin County. Neon lights from an old beer sign shone through the window out on the sidewalks as I walked in to pass the time. I looked around, sat down at the table, ordered beef on rye and a glass of wine. Through the doorway came a little old lady. She was selling paper roses, but they only cost a dime. Paper roses, paper roses. She sold them paper roses, but they only cost a dime. Silver hair that's lost its glow, trembling hands as she passed the road. Red crepe paper made nature's bouquet. Help a little old lady buy a rose today. I took the rose from her trembling hands. With eyes of age, she smiled and walked away. Like a breath of spring, I could smell the rose. It came alive as I heard her say, my roses, pretty roses, they're only made of paper, but they only cost a dime. I went to look for her outside. Spray of roses lay by her side. The sky lit up and the choir sang. A thousand voices from the church bells sing. And they sang Rosie, paper they only cost a dime.